Good morning, YouTubers, and this is the Mojo 300 ABS, which has got dual exhaust setup, which you must have seen. A lot of videos and pictures were getting shared on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and now I'm seeing this in real. And today we are going to take a short ride and to check the performance basically. So meet my friend Farhan. So hi Farhan from Nafs Motors, and Farhan, thank you so much for making this happen, because a lot of people were looking for dual exhaust setup on Mojo. Today we will check the performance, right? So how do you feel the first ride?
The sound and the feel is just like the XT.
Mm-hmm.
Now on the highway we'll figure how's the power in the higher revs, because I'm feeling it's a lot smoother now in the higher revs, and we'll see after a long highway ride we'll be able to share a better
Yeah.
experience.
So stay tuned. Thank you. Here we are meeting our friend Vignesh and his Raging Red Mojo XT BS4. Initial punch तो है इसमें.
Huh?
Initial punch is there.
Today I was telling Farhan, if this is possible in BS6, I'm booking the white carriage.
Good, yeah. When all through the performance is really nice with dual exhaust. Alright, so we have 3 generations of Mojo, starting from that one, the BS3 Mojo XT, the BS4 Mojo XT, and the latest in the generation Mojo 300 ABS. And this one is BS4. So what's new in this? So I just need to go a little back and show you guys. So as you all know that Mojo is now coming with a single exhaust, unlike the twins in XTs earlier. So this one has 2 exhausts, as you can see, and all the credits to Nuffs Motors. No, they have developed this design and they have put all their best efforts to bring back the dual exhaust setup on Mojo 300 ABS. So we have Vignesh, who has just ridden this Mojo, and we are on a highway ride, and we have covered around 90 kilometers from Bangalore, and we are on the Hassan highway. This is Mayura. So we have done our breakfast also, nice one. So thanks to Farhan. Hey Farhan, hi, cheers. So hey Vignesh,
Hi.
you just took a ride of this Mojo,
Yes.
right, with dual exhaust.
Yes.
So what do you feel?
First impressions, I felt like riding an XT, which is more nimbler, because one thing which I was missing in UT and the ABS version was the iconic dual exhaust, the look and then the sound of the dual exhaust. But now I feel that Nuff Motors has revamped that feature to the ABS. So the iconic dual exhaust has brought back that life and charisma to the Mojo. So I just took for a small spin of like 10-15 minutes, and one thing I felt is like it is like same replica of XT now. The sound, that too without the baffles, it's killer, and the performance also like feels the same as XT. Like maybe the actual facts and vitals, now Farhan from Nuff Motors can help you out. But sitting as a rider and seeing that the sound as well as the performance has been reduced on this ABS version, like similar to the XT. And then another feature is like since it was more nimbler with the absence of the upside down forks, I felt this will be better on the highways and even the city commuting. That's all from my end. Like maybe later, like if I take it for much more longer spin, I can give more feedback on that. Yes, but thumbs up for Nuff Motors. They have done a great job bringing back the XT.
Great, thank you. So let us ask Farhan now about the performance parameters of this bike now, and what are the cost implications on this bike.
So we had to add the XT bend pipe,
Okay.
an additional muffler, and there is a slight modification we had to do with the side stand. So
Okay.
with all the necessary small parts, it costed about 37,000 including labor. So in this particular bike, we have pulled out the DB killers. It initial is definitely better than the XT with 46 teeth on the rear when compared to 45 of the XT. So initial we could, we also did a few drags and we could see that the initial was always better. Top end is decent compared to the stock Mojo ABS BS4. I feel post 6000 RPM it's feeling a lot smoother. It's breathing much better. But yeah, top end I think can be better with the sprocket of XT, which is having 45 teeth instead of 46. So that can increase the top end. And this also has the Angel CT tires, which are not radial tires. These are bias tires, which are more for urban riding and mixed kind of riding conditions. That bike, for example, has the Michelin Road 5, which is W rated, and your bike also has the Apollo Alpha, which are W rated. So radials definitely will give a better top end. So I think adding those things, somebody who's into doing high speed touring, if you're into it, you can always put radial tires, good radial tires, and there should definitely be a difference in the top end.
So on the performance front, it is definitely a thumbs up.
Yes,
It is
yes.
improved. and definitely the bass and the grunt is there, what people love for Mojo.
Yes, yes. And I think adding something like the Mantra Racing air filter also will definitely make
Yeah,
it a bit
definitely.
faster. Because Vignesh is running on the Mantra Racing air filter. I think that is the secret behind him going around 150.
Yeah,
easily.
151. Yeah, correct. So that's nice. So this is the Mojo ABS now with dual exhaust.
Iconic dual exhaust.
Iconic dual exhaust. Thanks to the proud owner of this machine,
Raghu.
Mr. Raghu. Yeah. So he allowed us to take this bike on highway for this performance test and took this initiative of getting the dual exhaust done. So we'll just do a quick walk around. So can you just show the bent pipes and everything, and which barrel you have used for this dual exhaust? I mean the same ABS one?
The barrels are the same, whether it is the left or right, the barrels
Yeah.
are the same.
Ah.
We have used the XT bent pipe here, and that's it fit. But this side stand is of the XT.
Yeah.
This is not of the Mojo ABS. So that side stand of XT had to be modified slightly. We have to put the spring the other way around, and there are some small weldings here and there we have done to suit this particular dual exhaust setup on the Mojo ABS. Because the Mojo ABS side stand, which is quite longer,
Yeah.
will not suit this bent pipe of the XT.
Okay. And can we just listen to the sound of XT exhaust and this exhaust? One first. So I think they sound exactly the same. There's no much difference.
I think with the stock BS4 ABS, the stock BS4 ECU itself, it's doing pretty well.
Yeah.
It doesn't need any sort of tuning, just an ECU reset is good enough. The bike did not have any sort of lag because of the change in exhaust. It was performing good in the low revs, it's performing good in the high revs. So it doesn't need any ECU update as such.
Great. So thank you so much, Farhan, for taking this initiative and giving back the tribe what they want. So thank you so much. Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers. So here is Mr. Raghu. He got his Mojo ABS 300 modified with the dual exhaust system. So Raghu, tell me, with this short ride, whatever you did, what do you feel like? What's the difference you feel compared to earlier?
Actually, it was very short ride, and in that short ride itself, the bike is very, very smooth actually compared to single exhaust. Definitely, dual exhaust is very smoother. I love it.
Do you feel anything slightly better in the higher revs? What do you feel?
Above 5000 RPM, I know it's what do you say? You have more power in the engine, and you feel very comfort in that speed, and as well as it is, as I said before, it is very smooth.
Okay. And how are you liking the sound?
Loving it.
Just like the old XT, right?
Yes, exactly. Actually, frankly telling is, I came for XT actually. The time I came, XT was, almost, it was, the the factory had stopped manufacturing it, and then when Farhan said the new ABS will be a single exhaust one, I was heartbroken actually, and I insisted Farhan for dual exhaust, and now it's a dream come true.
Yeah.
Now I have dual ABS. It's awesome.
Awesome. So yours is the first bike in Karnataka to
Exactly.
get this.
I am very proud of it actually.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, bro. Happy riding.
Thank you.
Congratulations.